In this video, we will cover what is the maximum Hertz and Baud rate for the Ag Leader PF3000. The maximum Hertz rate for an Ag Leader PF3000 is 1 Hertz. The maximum Baud rate is 9,600, but Ag Leader recommends 4,800. To check these rates, press Menu, press Setup, press the right arrow, press GPS, scroll down so that GPS/port configuration is highlighted, press Edit, and as you can see, our NEMA output rate is at 1 Hertz, and our output baud rate and input baud rate are both at 4,800. From this screen, we can also adjust the aux port parity, the P/V filter, the port, the output type, input type, and both the output and input baud rates. We have now covered what is the maximum Hertz and baud rate for the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.